We rely on AI more than ever before, to search, to organize, and even to think for us. But what are we losing in return? Our ability to think critically. So we started to ask, what if we could use AI to think better, not less? Our answer is simple. Use AI to help you think better. CritiqueAI is an extension that helps you stay critical while using AI. Simply highlight anything you want to question or tap on a suggested hint. CritiqueAI then guides you in 3 ways. Ask better questions. Check where the information comes from. See different perspectives. But when your thoughts start to pile up and the information becomes overwhelming, Thinking Board is to help you organize your ideas into notes, capture key insights from CritiqueAI, and keep everything in one place. So instead of going back and forth through past responses, you can clearly see the shape of your thinking. CritiqueAI. Use AI to think better.